Hello everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you how to get It's a Home Style and Gifts application in your device. If you use Android phone, then go to App Store, and if you use iPhone, then go to if you use Android phone, then go to Google Play Store, and if you use iPhone, then go to App Store, and after that search It's a, and it's okay, and then you'll get this app like this. So you can see the rating of the app 4.2 out of 5. So when you get any app, the app is more than 4, we consider that the app is really amazing. And 1 million reviews, it means 1 million plus people write something about this app. We will see it later. You can see the size of the app only 19 megabyte. It's too light. And the good thing is 10 million plus people already use this app. So shop and discover creative gifts, customer training, fashion, and DIY home crafts. So what you need to do to get this app, simply tap on the install button. So it takes few moments to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video is helpful for you. Please consider to subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching the video.